I'm going to show you how to put background music and sound effects into Renpy. First, when you create your project, mine is Project Sound, open up the audio folder. Paste in all of your audio files. I'm using .mp3 files, and then open up your script file. Type in play music audio / the name of your file. Mine is music.mp3. I'm going to set the volume to 0.5. Know that Renpy supports .ogg, mp3, wav, and .opus files. If you are using a wav file, keep in mind it has to be uncompressed 16-bit signed PCM only. If you don't know what that means, open up Audacity, paste in your .wav file, and convert it to an MP3 file. This just makes it easier. I don't know much about audio. Audacity is the audio program that I use. So that is for the background music. For the sound effects, we are going to type in play sound audio, which is the folder, / sigh.mp3. We're going to set the volume again to 0.5. Keep a space there. I'm going to copy and paste this for my second sound effect, and I'm going to call it laugh.mp3. I'm going to change my music to the mp3 file that it is, because it's not a WAV anymore. I'm going to save my file. And there you go. We have our sound effects playing, and we have our background music playing. Thanks everyone.